Hi guys, welcome to Quality Thought YouTube channel. So let's start the another session for Angular guys. Today's agenda is what sir? Let me create one another custom component and we'll try to apply how can we apply what here ng for and as well as ng if here means how do we use how to use ng for and ng and what sir ng if it is sir what ng if in angular guys here. So for this one, to see this one guys, let me create one new application. So in this today in this session guys, we'll let you know how do we apply ng for and as well as ng if as well. So now for this one, let me create let me go to the my project directory of Angular projects here. Okay, cd desktop cd Angular projects 10,000. Okay, let me create one application guys, ng new application application 5 sorry. So it will ask you once again guys here, what is the command for creating like Angular application? We know guys, ng new and application 5. Let's say currently I don't require, once again it will ask you, would you like to add the Angular routing? So we say no, no for this application as well. So we'll use CSS here. So it will take to create Angular application. My application name is what sir 5. So that's why I've given the Angular application 5 guys here. So it will take some time to create the Angular application guys. So in today's sessions viewers and guys will see after creating the custom component guys here, how can we utilize means I will define some product information in one of the custom component. Let us create one product custom component guys here. Then I want to display that component from component view using, here also I am going to use what sir, bootstrap integration to represent the data in the form of table which I will define in the product.component.what's here ts file. So it will take some time to create the application guys. We'll see the practical implementation of how can we, here also I'm going to integrate bootstrap guys, bootstrap here bootstrap table I want to use here to how can we utilize ng for and as well as ng if, how the Angular engineers, how the Angular developers will use ng for and ng if as per our project requirement, based on how can we binds the data from the custom component to custom view. So we'll see now my application is ready sir. Let me move to cd application 5 guys here. Let me open the project directory sir, code dot here. So this is my project structure of what sir here, or application structure of Angular sir here. So now I want to create one custom component. The name of the component you can give any name sir. Here I will use one product component guys here, ng generate component is nothing but what sir, product here, product component guys, product. So let me create one custom component. So using custom component guys here, we'll try to understand how can we utilize ng for and ng if to binds the data from the component to user. So once again what happens here, if you use the product means product component.html is ready, then what product component.spec.ts file is ready. I'll tell you sir what are the each functionality of these files are here in the upcoming session guys. Product.component.ts file, then product.component.css file, it will be automatically updated in app.module.ts guys here. So now what I'll do sir here, if you notice dear students what here and viewers guys, here I'll go to the src, we have one, if you notice guys here in the app folder guys, we have one product components are here. So first and foremost things sir, what I want to do, I'll go to what's sir product.component.ts as this is the first step guys here. This app selector is nothing but sir app product. This is going to be what tag for me in the like what app.component.html file here. So let me remove all this in guys here. Let me remove here. If you notice guys, let me go to app.component.html. Let me remove all these things are here and let me add what app.product as a, which is a selector for me in the app dot like product.component.ts file. So this is going to be act as a tag for me in the app.component.html guys here. So now let me go to the product.html product.component.ts files are here. Here what I will do sir, if you notice guys here, inside the like for example if you notice sir product.component.ts, I will use, if you notice dear students what here, so we have one component guys here. I will define guys, if you notice let's say product.html, this is the HTML and product.html sir here. So why it is not creating sir constructor here? So if you notice guys, we have created one component called okay sir ng application is created guys here successfully, then ng generate component name is product here. So in the product sir here we need to add there is no constructor is showing sir, why? So let me close this product sir here, okay, and let me go to what sir here product.component.ts file, okay na sir. So once again guys, do one thing, let me create another component sir here. Let's say I want to create sir, for example let's say product.component.ts file sir here, ts file, this is the app here, but it is not showing constructor sir here, okay. So what I want to do sir, for example let's say let me use one product sir, let me use here product. If you are getting products variable I am taking sir, that is any sir here, any. So I will use what guys, one constructor guys here, let me use one constructor guys, and let me open and close this one sir here, okay. So I am using what sir, product of any. So now I want to use sir this dot, for example here this dot product sir here, this dot product equal to, I want to use what like JavaScript array, inside an array I want to use guys here what JSON format data, I want to provide here some product information. Let me write sir, let's say I am taking PID equal to 101 sir here, PID equal to 101. Then I want to use sir, for example let's say I want to use dear students what here p name equal to what sir, inside the product.component dot ts file sir, I want to define some data dear students what inside the constructor. So I am writing p name equal to what sir here, let's say mobile phone sir here, mobile phone, okay now guys. If you notice guys here, let's say price sir, let me use price equal to let's say 19,000 sir here, 19,000. And next one guys comma, let me write sir what company, let me write here company guys here, company I want to write, okay, company equal to let's say Samsung guys here, Samsung here, okay, company is Samsung guys here. So comma I want to use another product sir, let me copy this one, okay, let me copy and paste it sir here. So 102 here, 102, or I want to use sir company, next one I want to use sir, for example let's say another two like module manufacturing date equal to let's say some 12, okay, 12 sir here 2021, okay na sir. Let me copy here comma, let's say expiry date also, let me use sir what here expiry date here, expiry date equal to expiry date equal to what sir here 12 sir here, let me write here 12 2022 guys here, okay. So now comma, then status equal to, I am writing guys what status, let me write sir another like what status guys here, let me use status here, status equal to, I want to write sir what 1 sir here 1. So let me add this again these three properties guys into another product details here. Let me use here sir, let me use here comma, I want to provide comma here. So manufacturing date something use sir 2 here, 2, I want to use sir 2 here, and here also 2, here also 2, and let's say 0 here, I want to take another one sir, for example let me copy and paste here 103 sir here, 103. Okay na sir, I want to take, this is what product name is, what sir here, let's say laptop sir here, laptop, and like cost price is, let's say what, 79,000. 103, I'm telling that what, tab guys here, tab here. Okay, price is, let's say 9,000. Company is what sir, Samsung. I want to create some manufacturing dot like date and what sir here, let's say, let me move this one sir, 21 here. Some expiry date sir, status equal to, I want to give you 1 sir here, 1 here. Let me take another record guys, copy and paste guys here. So 104 sir, 104 here. Let me take LCD TV here, LCD TV, let's say 39,000 and manufacturing date is 1 and one some date you can take, I'm telling status is 0. So if you notice sir, I'm defining the 4 objects inside the product.component.ts sir here. So what is the meaning of any means? Any means compulsory if you are using what object data type with array with different heterogeneous object, means in like using the different types of data in application, we have to use product equal to any guys here. So now this is my 4 product information I do have inside the what's here product.component.ts file. So I want to extract in the what's here like product dot like component dot html. So for this one, once again we required what's here, as I told you, we'll try to how can we utilize ng for and ng if sir here. I will show you using bootstrap, what's sir, bootstrap like integration guys here. So let me add the like some file, we require some plugins and CDN guys. So I do have inside that one, let me open this bootstrap file here, open this one sir here, using Visual Studio Code, open this one. So what I will do sir, let me copy this one sir, copy and remove this one. Here I need to add in product.component.html. Okay, so let me remove all this thing, I don't require all this codes here. Let me create from our side. So now this is my like structure of bootstrap framework sir. Here we need to add all plugins and CDNs I have added. Let me represent the data in the form of what's here, tabular format using ng for, and how to apply, first we'll apply sir ng for, later we'll see ng if as well guys here. So now let me use one container here, container guys, container, inside I want to take one row guys here. Okay, let me use for call hyphen md hyphen 12 sir here, 12 guys. So here I am writing what sir, like let me display here product information, let me apply some bootstrap classes guys here. Let's say text center. Okay, then next one sir, text guys here, text center, text white sir here, and let me write sir bg equal to this time what guys here, let's say danger only sir. You can take multiple classes we have, I'm taking danger only sir here, which will give me red color sir here, hr. Okay na sir, hr here. If you notice sir, once again let me write hr here, hr guys here, hr. Okay, so here I am writing sir, first whatever the like product name you have taken sir, PID, PName, price, company, expiry date and status guys here. So I will use here inside the, for example I will take one table guys here, table. Okay na sir, table guys here, let me use some classes, class equal to table, table bordered sir here, table bordered. Let me write sir table stripped sir here, table stripped here. Then let me write sir table dark, means I want to make it everything in the dark guys here. So all data in the tabular format you are visible in the dark color sir here. So that's what I am using, one of the like class of bootstrap sir, table dark guys here. So now let me use sir tr here. Okay, then let me use table header sir, a product id, let's say PID. Okay, now next one like p name sir here, p name. Next one let me write here price guys here, price. Next one if you notice guys what, let's say company guys here. Next one if you notice guys here th equal to, okay na sir, manufacturing date sir here, manufacturing date. Now expiry date sir here, expiry date, and next one's a th, let me write sir here status. Status sir here. Status. Now inside another tr, dear students, what I will use viewers. Here I will use ng for sir here, which is used to iterate. If you are talking about the programming language such as C, C++, Python, if you want to extract the data, we will use iterative statement. Iterative statement, one of the iterative statement is what sir? For loop. Same if you want to iterate the data sir, which I have defined in the product.component.ps in the form of object format sir here. I want to retrieve the data in the tabular format sir here. So I will use ng for here. ng for guys here. So let me use sir one variable let like p1 of which sir here you have to provide the name of this variable. You have given any product sir here. This variable you have to pass sir here. Copy and let me go to here, paste it here. Paste it here. Then again using this p1 I will like access all the data inside the td using interpolation technique guys. p1.pid. P1, which PID sir? What we have given in the name of the PID inside the like product.component.ts file. What is my like key names sir here? Names are your PID sir here. Now what I'll do, I'll use this one. Next one another TD sir here. Let me use interpolation P1 dot P name. Okay na sir, P1 dot P name. Next one sir another TD. Another TD sir, P1 dot price sir here. P1 dot price sir here. Now let me write sir another TD guys here. If you notice sir, P1 dot company. P1 dot company sir here. Next one dear students, what? If you notice sir, TD guys and viewers guys. Okay, P1 dot, let me write sir what? Manufacturing date sir here. Keep in mind what is the variable you have taken sir? Manufacturing date here, expiry date sir here. Let me write sir here expiry date here. Let me use here expiry date. Okay sir, P1 dot expiry date sir here. Expiry date sir here. Then next one TD equal to what sir here? Let me write sir P1 dot status. P1 dot status guys here. Now let me run the application guys here. If you notice dear students, what? So let me run the application ng serve hyphen open sir here. Hyphen open sir. So you are able to sir, it will take some time to run our Angular application development server sir here. It will take some time. So you are able to see what guys here? Output guys here. If you notice guys here, it will take some time guys here. Successfully writing sir, you are able to see some let's say sir manufacturing dates sir, some problem in the manufacturing dates sir here. Let me check sir, yeah, one more like required sir here, curly braces. So you are able to see guys, successfully you are able to see the product information sir here. So now product ID we have, product name, price. So I have defined this, you are able to see that this is the what? Product information. I have defined in the product.component.ts file sir as a what sir? Product information using objects sir. Inside an array sir, I have defined like objects data type of the product information, and inside the product.component.html viewers and guys using ng for the syntax is what? This is let is nothing but you can say either in TypeScript or JavaScript sir, we can define the variable name. If you are talking about guys, how can we define or declare variable in JavaScript or TypeScript sir? There are three possibilities are there guys here. First one, using var keyword, using one of the let. I will tell you what is the use of let, practical implementation as well. When do we use var keyword? When do we use let keyword? And when do we use const keyword? If you want to define or declare variable, not only in JavaScript and TypeScript as well guys, there are three possibilities are there. One is using var keyword, second one is using let keyword, and third one is using const keyword. So after completing one of the very important and significant interview question guys here, especially for front end developers or like UI developers, either you are using Angular framework or you are using React.js library or you are using Vue.js framework to develop single page application. One of the interview question, viewers and guys, interviewer will ask you, okay, you have like you have very hands-on knowledge in particular Angular framework or React.js library or like Vue.js library. Can you explain the situation and scenario? Where can we utilize where keyword, and where can we utilize let keyword, or where can we utilize const keyword at the time of declaring variable? Like if you're talking about in like Angular, I'll explain like what in Angular, dear students, what like a particular area while developing single page application business logic, when to use Angular developers either let keyword, either like where keyword, either what const keywords are here. So this is the example of ng for here. Now we have another, if you notice guys here, ng if is there, ng if is not sir here. What I'll do dear, like viewers and guys, here inside the top of this one sir, I will apply here. For example, I will write one simple condition, and keep in mind guys, like as a Angular developer or Angular engineer, I'll give the conclusion in the last session. How can we write the business logic? Most of the like students or those are working industry employees, they are thinking sir, can we use like inside the if statement, can we use for loop or not? Yes, exactly guys, I will tell you that situation also how can we. So similarly in Angular or React, whenever if you are dealing with what sir, if you are talking about especially Angular framework guys, if you are using product.component.ts file, that is meant for to write the business logic to handle request and response operations are here. How can we utilize ng if directive or ng like for loop, ng for loop sir, I'll tell you based on the application requirements are here. So what I'll do guys, if you notice guys here, let me use here in the first tr. Currently I do have how many product information guys here? If you notice, there are 4 product information. I'm telling that if I'm using sir ng for here, sorry, ng if sir here, ng if equal to, I'm writing sir what, my variable name is what I have given, product equal to any sir products sir here. If you notice sir lowercase, no sir, all, what is the name of the variable sir here? Products are here. Let's say products are here, products dot length, I am writing sir greater than 0. So currently if you notice sir, our output will be as it is same, because in my product.component.ts like viewers and guys, I have defined 4 product information, which indicates that my ng if condition is satisfied here. I am writing what sir here? Product dot length sir here greater than 0 means I do have 4 records. You will get the output as it is. If you see on my screen sir, nothing affected sir here. So now what is the situation, and when ng if condition is satisfied, let me remove the all data from the product.component.ts guys here. So I'll go what sir here, product.component.ts. Let me remove all the data sir. For example, let me remove here, let me remove all the data, let me copy and remove. So now in this case viewers and guys, so here my ng if directive what, false, because I have given the condition in the tr guys, ng if products dot len greater than 0, but I don't have any records like in the form of object in my project.component.ts. So you will not get any data guys here, empty you are getting product information. So in this case, so what my, if you notice sir, ng if condition is satisfied guys here. So even though here first we have checked what, ng if condition, later we can apply ng for also. So is it possible sir? Yeah, whenever if you are writing the business logic sir, logic can be written in multiple ways viewers and guys. So based on the, by understanding our project requirement, how our client is expecting, whenever end user or customer are performing some request and response operation as per their needs, guys. So based on that we can write the business logic by understanding our project requirement. So we can write the business logic. Just keep in mind, sir, we can write like for loop inside the if statement, no problems are here. So now let me add as it is all data are here. If you notice, guys, here let me copy and paste, sorry, let me copy and paste. For example, I want to make only one record, sir. Let's say I want to make it only one record. So still if you notice, sir, in the product.component.ts, what I have given, sir, tr ng if means product dot length greater than 0. So I do have one record, product information record is available. So here in this case, ng if directive like okay, true, sir, then one product information will be visible. So you can see PID 101, PName mobile phone, price is what's here. If you notice 19,000, company equal to Samsung, and manufacturing and expire is that, status is 1. So why are you using status here? So like in the next session, guys, another important directive is there, guys, that is ng switch here. So for example, S means what? Instead of number 1, for example, if you are dealing with e-commerce applications, sir, I want to create one front end like front end as per as per our project requirement. Status means I want to be, if the customer purchase some product, instead of 1 I want to it's yes, book the item something. For this is for what? Customers like satisfaction, dear students, what here. So what I'll do, sir, here 1 indicates what? A customer or end user purchase some product from our application. Instead of 1 I can write some meaningful output, product has booked successfully, like this. So we'll see that operation in the upcoming session using ng switch, guys, here. So once again let me add the all products here. For example, let's say go to this one here, let me use all products, sir. Here you can see there are 4 products are successfully, means our condition is satisfied. You can see 4 product information. So even I'm integrating bootstraps here to understand how can we utilize ng for and ng ifs here. In the next session, viewers and guys, so if you see last status, I want to change the, instead of 1 means a particular product has been purchased by the end user, I want to use, sir, booked. 0 means what, sir, here? Like product is not booked, sir, here. If any one number, if you are giving, sir, -1 means we can use, sir, NA, not no user like perform some operation in my application, in my single page application, or like you can say, especially you can say like what? E-commerce application, guys, here. So this is the complete scenario or complete application, like application using ng for and ng if, viewers, here. So once again, it's my humble request to all Indian users and as well as international users, please subscribe IT TV and Quality Thought YouTube channel, as our Quality Thought and IT TV vision and goal to provide the solution for software developers, either if you are UI developer or middle layer developer or backend developer, sir. So here you will get more ideas and more technique, even if you are facing some problem, writing the business logic as a UI developer, especially Angular developer or Angular engineer or React.js developer or Vue.js developer. So from not only, sir, in the front end area, back end, if you are working as a Python developer or Django developer or Flask developer, or whatever the technologies are there, Java developer or Spring Boot developer, if you want to get the proper solution, viewers and guys, if either if you are Indian or international, that you can get the proper solution as per your request, guys. That's what. Please don't try to forget to subscribe IT TV and as well as Quality Thought YouTube channel for more updation, guys. This is this is the end for today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in the next session, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.